Okay, here we go. We're going to start Unit 2, Section 2. We're going to break Section 2 into two separate lessons. So let's get started. The first thing, this is all about the Banzhaf power index and Banzhaf power distributions. And by the end of this lesson, we want to be able to compute the Banzhaf power index for individual players. And we want to be able to compute, not computer, compute the Banzhaf power distribution for a weighted voting system. All right, here's our first example. The Parliament of Icelandia has 200 members divided into three different political parties, the red, the blue, and the green. The red party has 99 seats, the blue party has 98, and the green has 3. Decisions are made by a majority vote, which requires 101 out of the 200 total votes. So it's a simple majority. In Icelandia, this is kind of important. In Icelandia, members of parliament always vote along party lines. What that means is if the red party thinks that they should vote yes, then every single member of the red party will vote yes. So, here we go. We can think of the Icelandia Parliament as a weighted voting system. There's our quota of 101. Remember, this is the quota. That's what we need to pass. And then we have the three parties who are voting and the total number of votes they have. Remember, the red party has 99 seats. The blue party has 98, and the green party had 3. So the first question is, what are the three different combinations that would allow not three different, what are the different combinations that would allow a motion to pass? So what we need to do is we need to look at these values, and we want to figure out how many ways can I add these three things together and get more than 101. Well, I notice that if all three vote yes, the red, the blue, and the green, that adds up to 99 plus 98 plus 3, or the total of 200 votes. So that is one way that can we get a motion to pass. We can also get a motion to pass if red and blue both vote yes. That's 99 plus 98, which is 197. We can also get a motion to pass if red and green say yes. Red is 99. Green is 3. 99 plus 90 plus 3 is 200. 102. That would pass. That's more than 101. If blue and green both vote yes, that's 98 plus 3. That is 101. It will pass. And that's pretty much it. So, what does this mean? So, this kind of means, if you look at this quota means that we need at least 2/3 of the parties to agree. Okay, that's what we need, at least 2/3 of the parties to agree.